Welcome to the Mechanical and Manufacturing Engineering Department. In this particular department, we have mechanical engineering, manufacturing engineering, and engineering management with a focus on manufacturing. It is a place where you could go and learn the theory and then actually practice what you're going to do. So let's take a look at some of the equipment. Once you learn how to manually cut metal, wood, figure out how to manipulate it on the lathes with the welding, then you advance into some more advanced manufacturing and you start to learn how to use tools like this automated machine here, where you take a block of metal, you program your computer-aided design, and then this machine actually tears down the metal into the shape that you're trying to create. The Baja Club builds a car from scratch. It's totally done by the students. They are given the engine and then they design, build the frame, put it together, and then they actually race it against up to 100 other different colleges. In your senior year as a mechanical or manufacturing engineer, you're going to have your senior design capstone project, where you work with a team of students to go ahead and research and then actually manufacture a piece of equipment. This particular senior design is with Wright-Patt Air Force Base. They give us the jet engine, and then they give us a challenge to either make it so that it has more thrust, you can generate electricity from it. It varies from year to year. But you get hands-on experience working with a team of people solving a hard, knotty problem that a company or our DoD needs to have solved. Thank you very much for coming and taking a virtual tour of our Mechanical and Manufacturing Engineering Department. People who come here learn how to work together in teams. They learn how to look at a problem, find feasible solutions to fix our nation and world's problems.